Have you ever wondered how millions of peanut butter jars are made every single day? Let's go inside the factory.
Every jar of peanut butter begins in America's vast peanut fields. Modern harvesters separate thousands of kilograms every hour. Freshly harvested peanuts immediately begin their journey.
Quality checks begin before the factory ever sees a single peanut. Now the harvest heads toward a high-tech peanut butter factory. Within hours, freshly harvested peanuts arrive at one of America's largest processing facilities. Every delivery is carefully tracked before unloading begins.
Automated systems move thousands of kilograms with remarkable efficiency.
Cleaning removes every unwanted particle before processing continues. Intelligent scanners inspect every peanut in just milliseconds.
Precision shelling protects the valuable kernels inside.
Now the peanuts are ready for the roasting process that creates their rich, unmistakable flavor.
Carefully controlled roasting unlocks the rich aroma and flavor of every peanut.
Every degree is monitored to achieve a perfectly even roast. Rapid cooling preserves both texture and flavor.
Removing the skins creates the smooth texture people love. Advanced scanners inspect every peanut one last time. Automated silos feed the factory with perfect precision. Powerful grinders transform roasted peanuts into multiple grinding stages create the silky texture found in every jar.
The freshly ground peanut butter is blended to achieve its signature consistency.
Every ingredient is measured with remarkable precision for consistent flavor.
High-pressure processing creates the creamy texture people expect.
Temperature-controlled tanks keep every batch perfectly fresh.
High-speed filling machines prepare thousands of jars every hour.
A smooth finish ensures every jar looks as good as it tastes. Every lid is sealed securely to protect freshness.
Computer vision checks every jar before it reaches customers.
Automated labeling gives every jar its final retail appearance. Every jar receives a unique code for complete product traceability. Tamper-evident seals ensure every jar reaches customers safely. Only flawless jars continue to the final packaging stage. Powerful robots package thousands of jars with incredible precision.
Automated palletizing prepares products for nationwide distribution.
Every pallet is tracked before leaving the factory. From this factory, millions of jars begin their journey to store shelves across America. Regional distribution centers organize millions of jars for stores across the country. Automation ensures every shipment reaches the right destination.
Within days, fresh peanut butter reaches supermarket shelves.
Carefully stocked shelves make the final product ready for customers. Every jar helps create simple moments shared around the breakfast table.
Rich in protein and flavor, peanut butter is enjoyed around the world.
From farm to factory to family, every step is carefully engineered.
Have you ever wondered how millions of peanut butter jars are made every single day? Let's go inside the factory.